YouTubers, this is Thursday, 23rd, 2013. What's up, Southern Draw? How you doing? I've been doing some painting today and these last few days. I was wondering if you guys want to check this out. Alright, here are my screws, my front license plate there. There's that one. That's that metal cast blue there, Duplicolor. And my bolts got medium on there. Alright, there we go. My glove box bolts got medium blue on there, Duplicolor. Just put some clear on there. I already got like 3 coats of paint. 1 coat of clear. And there's my other bolts there for my glove box, my 87 Chevy Silverado there. Yeah, right there. Some kind of pretty, huh? And I got my washers in the garage. I'll show you when I get done with it. Kind of hard to get a good view of it, but yeah, it's good blue, man. I'm using that blue again. You can't beat it. That's a blue metal cast, something different kind of color blue there. And this is the blue that I'm using on my bolts, my glove box. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's a medium blue metallic. Works pretty damn good. Looks good. I got it like a few years ago. Still using it. I'm using this clear on it right here from Rust-Oleum. Yep. Lacquer. Good stuff. And here's my rod. Here's my wing nut for my rod there, my jack rod. Got that painted, got a few coats on there, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, man. And I'm going to paint that bracket that goes on the passenger side.